What's up, guys? It's the 453rd clone here today with Doggo Gaming.
Hey guys.
We're doing some ScrapMechanic. We're doing a multiplayer Monday playthrough. We're gonna try and see how far we can get in probably a couple weeks.
Yeah.
Hey, look, a bucket. Thanks for the free bucket. Oh, I have an idea.
And I'm frozen. There we go.
Eat. No. Wait. Can we use the water to put the fire out on the ship?
Oh yeah, you can.
Ooh. How far is it? What up? It says we need the master battery. Well, you know what? How about I give you the bucket and I'll go get the master battery. Ooh, hey, look, loot.
Oh yeah.
I'll give you some loot on the way back.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go get some water.
Put the whole fires out on the ship.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
And I think there might be some stuff in what looks like a microwave and a locker. We should probably check those. I got tomatoes, red beets, and component kits. Yes, component kits. Was it a gold chest? No, it's a terrible chest.
Come on.
Red beet. Ooh, red beet seeds. Ooh.
There.
Sun shake! My favorite drink. Circuit board. Hey, look, another bucket. We have 2 buckets now. Ah, I almost fell off.
That's good.
I'm over here in some kind of water slide.
Going the wrong way. This way.
Ah! Aggressive.
Ew.
These things are aggressive. No, why is he taking so many hits? This thing should be like 3. I hate those things. These things last forever. They just stick around. And they just annoy the tar out of you. Oh, I have an idea. You know the tote-bot heads?
What?
You know the tote-bot heads?
Oh yeah.
We should make a game with them.
Oh. Yeah.
Once we get enough mats to play like baseball, or would it be like soccer?
I don't know. But that'd be cool.
That'd be fun.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
What?
What's gonna
They'll tell me our ship burnt to nothing.
turn it? Alright guys, be right back.
Oh my gosh. No dying allowed.
I didn't die. I just slipped.
Ah, another sun shake. I have 3 of them now.
Alright. Go ahead and get that. Clean this tire out. Oh, no, don't slip again. Come on. Throw. Okay, I think I put out.
I got, what was that? I got the master battery. Yay.
That's good. Alright, I put out all 5.
Did you go check those microwave thingies?
There.
Over by, like, when you're going in, just keep going straight on your left. I think there's like a toilet area that was on fire.
Right here.
And then there's like a microwave. And there's like a locker. It's like a gym locker. It doesn't smell as bad.
Oh, here's the microwave.
Oh, I got a scrap wheel.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
You want me to take the microwave?
Sure. We'll put that on our first car.
Yeah. Uh-oh. No. Okay.
Wait. Oh yeah, I have to have power to get the crafting stuff. Oh, can I make it? Oh, parkour! I'm so cool.
Oh. Yeah, but... Alright, there we go. Alright, let's go find all my stuff. There he is. Right over here, guys.
What do you want? You want a hammer fight? All the fires are out?
Yep.
Wait. Come here. I got a job for you.
Come on, let's do this.
You see these trees here?
My mouse is dead. Oh, wait, that's alive.
You see these trees here? The glowy trees?
Yeah.
Whack them a bunch. We need those embers for later. Go around and do all that. I'm gonna go put the master battery in and see what we need for our first car.
Okay. Okay.
Oh hey, another scrap wheel.
There's one.
Why am I starving?
I'm fine. You're the one who's like dying. Feel that tree. There we go. Alright, let's go find it.
These tomatoes give you like only water.
Right?
And the beets aren't so bad. I ate all my beets.
I have no food. But I'm fine.
6 potatoes. What was this? Oh hey, a switch. Aha, I got a toilet paper roll.
Oh, you did?
I'm gonna toilet paper your house.
No.
We don't even have a house.
True.
We need. Wait. What all do you have? What all do you have for car building?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Yeah.
You have nothing for loot? Did you take the microwave?
No, I left it because I couldn't grab it.
What'd you do with all the stuff that was in the locker and stuff?
I took it.
Oh. I'm gonna take that radio. Grab the. What the heck? There's something in this, isn't there? Oh, why didn't you take that component kit out of there?
Where?
There's a component. Hey, I want that calendar. There's a component kit in the microwave.
There was?
Yeah.
Microwave.
Wait. First things first, we need some weld tools.
Okay.
Crafting 1. We need scrap metal, don't we?
Yeah,
We need scrap metal, scrap wood, more scrap metal, a whole lot of scrap wood, more wood, more metal and wood, more metal, wood. I'm gonna go cut down a tree. You think you could go kill some hay bots and get some metals?
Yeah, I'll go find them. Where are they?
I think there's a farm of them down the road a ways.
Okay.
Why did it have to fall that way?
We didn't set a timer for 10 minutes, did we? Whatever. Come on. My mouse is dying, guys. There it goes.
Your mouse is dying?
Yes, it's dying. It's like not working.
Why?
I don't know. Weird. Let's go up here. It already was up there. Yep. Nope, that's all yet. We'll just double check.
Got my tank top and sweet gloves. I'm all short and fat.
Is there anything up here? Think big. Got it. Oh god. Okay. Yeah, Nick, anything up here? Go back then.
Wood. Welcome back, guys. We are here in more Scrap Mechanic. I had to take a quick pause to do some grinding and get some mats, and now we're going over here to help Doggo. We gotta help Doggo. She's killing.
Yeah, I'm over here.
She's killing the bots. They're all bots.
Yeah.
This is Fortnite now. They're all bots.
Okay, there we go. Keep on going. It's stupid now. It's dying.
How far away are you?
Over here killing bots.
Take their legs. Refine them.
I did. Oh, here's another.
Here, Hank. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
There we go.
See, they drop their legs, and then you gotta look for their legs and refine them.
I know.
We need the scrap metal.
Oh, my recording just stopped.
Ah! No, 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 no. Whack. Ha, get headshotted.
Over here.
That's my metal.
A little break.
Hey, get out of there. That's my loot.
Fine. Fine. But yeah, with that,
How much scrap metal do you have?
that's let me see. 30. No, 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 no. No, don't tell me, Jake. I'm looking at stuff.
Only 30?
Yeah.
I got 40 scrap wood and 140 wood. Or sorry, scrap metal and 140 wood.
Okay, that's good.
Hold up. Give me all your metal.
Take it.
Yeah, there's still more loot around here.
Oh, hi.
I'm gonna head back and try and build the first stuff we need for our car.
No, stop. Okay, there we go. Where are you going?
I'm going back to build the first stuff for our car.
Okay. Donald Duck is gonna go build us a car.
Yes, a car. It's gonna have 3 wheels.
Okay. 3-wheel car, guys.
Yeah, 3 wheels.
Yeah.
Who doesn't love 3-wheeled cars?
I don't know.
It's gonna be like a tricycle. No, it's gonna be like a motorcycle that you sit in like a normal driver's seat.
Yeah.
I don't have enough wood, do I?
I don't know.
No, I doubt I do.
Alright. I have 30 scrap metal again. Do you want it? Oh, I'm thirsty, Jake. Help me. No.
Drink and eat.
Yeah. Let me just.
We need a driver's seat.
Alright, that helps. What?
I'm making a driver's seat, and then I'm gonna make an engine. Do you have any bearings?
I do not know. I think I do. I have to look. But, no, I'm not listening to your message. Yeah, I'm listening to. Hey, Jake. Is your little brother in there?
Guys, we'll be back in a minute once I get this stuff done.
Hi, Jake.
Welcome back, guys. We are here. I grinded out all the mats and stuff to build this little motorcycle. We got our motorcycle. We got our side carriage over there. Doggo's in the side carriage. Hey, we should put the chest on it.
Oh, yeah, we should.
Should put the locker on it. Wait. I want a railing over here. I want to do something cool with it. Actually,
You know your thumbnail? This is a car.
there we go.
Hey. No. This mouse, guys, I need a new mouse. Mouse working.
Woo! I got a little railing. It works as a multifunctional chest.
Oh, there we go.
You want the microwave over on your side?
Sure.
almost forgot to put our radio on.
Hey, go get that radio. Why is it so good together? Oh my god. There we go. Oh. Okay.
There's the microwave. Yeah. There's the radio. All right. Well, I have to go. We will be back
Yeah, guys.
sometimes next week.
Yep. Thank you all for watching.
Thank you for watching. Smash that like button and please subscribe.